find the decimal notation for 9 over 11. Well, to do this, we'll go ahead and use long division. So I'll start with the 11 out front as my divisor, and then 9 will be the dividend. Now, because 11 is larger than 9, I know that I'll need some zeros. So I'll go ahead and put several zeros here. And then we'll start with 11 dividing, can't divide into 9, but it can divide into 90. We'll divide in 8 times. Now, with the 8 where it is, I need to make sure I put the decimal up, and then I like to have a leading 0 to make sure that that decimal is seen. We'll multiply 8 back through, giving us 88. Subtracting these, we just get 2 left. So now we bring down the next 0. 11 divides 20 one time. So we multiply it back through and take away these 11, giving us a 9. Now we can see that it's going to start repeating. As I bring down a 0 again, 11 divides 90 8 times. And multiplying it back through, I get the 88 again. And then, once again, I'll be left with 2, and bringing down a 0, I'll be left with 20 again, which will give me a 1. This pattern of 8, 1, 8, 1 will continue, but instead of writing it with the 3 dots, I'll go ahead and write it with a repetent. So 8, 1 is the repeating set of digits, and I'll put a bar over that to show that it is repeating.